What happens when curiosity meets purpose and learning is driven by something deeper? The honors program at Barry University is where intellectual curiosity becomes action and learning transforms into leadership. Designed for highly motivated students, the program challenges you to think beyond disciplines, to ask bigger questions, discover your purpose, and make an impact in this complex world. Grounded in Barry's mission and core commitments, the honors program empowers you to grow, not just as a scholar, but as a global citizen and ethical leader. Here, you'll explore bold ideas, engage with real-world issues, and gain the tools to lead with insight, integrity, and impact. Plus, you'll make valuable connections and lifelong friends. With a challenging interdisciplinary curriculum, immersive experiences, and a tight-knit community of thinkers and doers, Barry Honors is more than a program. It's your launching pad. So if you haven't done so already, apply now. If you qualify, you'll receive a formal invitation to join the program, as well as scholarship information. We can't wait to welcome you to the Honors program.